Hey guys, I'm back with another for loops video, and I want to show you another cool power that for loops possess. So let's take a look here at this for loop. As you can see, we're not using a typical range value, we're actually using a matrix that I've created earlier. So what this for loop does is it assigns I to be one of the columns of my matrix. So I have a row matrix here. So what this is going to do in each iteration of the for loop is it's going to take I as the first column of this row matrix, so it's going to take 2. It's going to display 2, and then it's going to, on the second iteration, take the next column of row, which is 4. Then it's going to take the third column of row, which is 6, and the next 8. And so let's run it to look at that. So it displays 2, 4, 6, and 8. And that's really powerful. So maybe in one of your programs you want to iterate over the values you have in a matrix. Well, now you can do that by assigning it to a variable and using it within the for loop. And let's take a look using this multi-dimensional matrix I created. So it has 2, 4, 6, 8 stacked on top of each other twice. So remember, like I said, when you assign it to a variable within a for loop, it takes the entire column of that matrix. So in this case, it's going to display a matrix 2, 2. So that's a 2 row, 1 column matrix. And then on the next iteration, it's going to display 4, 4, 6, 6, and 8, 8. So let's try running that and see what that looks like. And so again, it displays these 4 like mini matrices. And so that's really powerful too. Maybe you need a part of a matrix. Well, now you can take that part by using a for loop. And like you can do other things with that. You can multiply that part of the matrix by a scalar, for example. So you can do 2 times I, right? And then when you run it again, it multiplies that matrix by the scalar. So that's just another important part of for loops you guys can keep in mind. Maybe instead of using a range, maybe you need to iterate over a certain type of value. Well, you can create a matrix to hold those values, and then you can assign I to be equal to those values and use that within your for loop. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one.